In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TickTick to collaborate with multiple users. We'll walk through sharing an individual task and a whole list so your team can work in sync without chasing updates. First, open TickTick in your browser and head to your Today view or the list that contains the task you want to collaborate on. Once you're looking at the task, open its options by clicking the three dots. This menu is where you control task-specific actions. If the task currently lives in a private list, you may want to place it in a shared space before you circulate it. Hover over Move To, then choose the list you intend to collaborate in. Moving a task ensures that anyone with access to that list can see and act on it, keeping everything in context. With the task selected, click Copy Link. This puts a direct link to the task on your clipboard. You can paste that link into chat or email, and collaborators with access to the list will land right on the task details. If someone can't open it, it usually means they don't have permission to the parent list, which we'll set up next. To share at the list level, open the Lists area in the left sidebar. Find the list you want to collaborate in, then click the three dots next to its name to open the list options. Choose Share. This is where you invite people and control how they join. In the invite field, type the email address or name of each person you want to add, then proceed with the invites. This sends them an invitation to join the list, and once they accept, they'll see all current and future tasks in that list, including the one you moved earlier. If you prefer a quick way to bring in several people, enable the invite link. Turning this on generates a shareable link for the list. Share it through your usual communication channels. Anyone who receives it can use that link to join, which is great for larger groups or when you don't have everyone's details handy. For better control, disable the link once your team has joined to prevent new unplanned access. That's it. You now know how to move a task to the right list, copy a direct task link, and invite collaborators to a list using email or an invite link so your whole team can work together smoothly in TickTick.